Match number 101. Elementary Boys Group 1. Gonzales Arvin C. of Region 3. Blue Armor. Garcia Vladimir of NCR. Proceed to the inspection area right now. Match number 102. Elementary Boys Group 2. RBO of Region 7. Versus Resort of NCR. Red Armor. Proceed to the inspection area right now. Match number 103. Elementary 2. Karaan Ayan Dominic of Region 4B. Blue Armor. Versus Importante Mark Lloyd of Region 12. Red Armor. Proceed to the inspection area right now. Match number 104. Elementary Boys Group 2. Goles Ace Phoenix of Region 10. Armor. Versus Latalia Angelito, Region 11. Red Armor. Match number 105. Elementary Boys Group 2. Ramores Angelo of Region 5. Blue Armor. Versus Juan Luigi Paulo of CAR. Red Armor. Proceed to the inspection area right now.